So today I'm going to be explaining how we use the add-on of slide randomizing. So when I randomize this presentation, all of these slides will be randomized and we'll switch their order. And this is really effective. So for example, with this one and this one, if I wanted to use these questions on a test, let's say the answer to this one is A and the answer to this one is D. Well, if I have multiple classes in a day, if I just use the same questions in the same order, then some students, it's possible that they share the answers with their friends. But let's say I have multiple slides with multiple questions, maybe 10 questions for their reading, but I only am going to test the students on 5. Well, if I randomize the slides, then the 5 questions that the students would see would be different. I'll demonstrate that. So when I randomize the presentation like so, as you can see now, these questions have changed. And so depending on how many questions I have, if the students only have to answer 5 of the 10 questions for the reading exam, then they would get different questions than previous classes, which can be helpful. Also changing, even if I used all 10 questions or however many questions, in this case there are 4, if I use all 4 questions, then the order, the A, B, C, D, the order of the answers would be mixed up. So here the last answer is A, and here the first answer is D. But if I randomize the slides, maybe slide 1 would become slide 4, and then it would be all mixed up and make the test more fair because it would be new to each class. I could also use this in a non-test context. For example, if I wanted to just study with the students, I could just have these questions. Or I could have vocabulary terms, and then when I randomize the slides again, as you can see now, it's been mixed up, and so the students would have a whole newly organized set of questions or set of vocabulary terms, and it would be an effective way for them to study.